Today we discuss the new chapter, that is surgical dressing and hospital supply. First of all, discuss the definition of surgical dressing. Surgical dressing, it is the term widely used to the all material used for the dressing of wound. It is called surgical dressing. Those material are basically protective, absorbent, supportive and prevent the infection to the wound. These are called as the surgical dressing. This is the wide term used to the all material used for the dressing of the wound. It is called as the surgical dressing. Then ideal property of the surgical dressing, it must be porous to the water vapor. It must be capable to absorbing the excessive secretion like pus, blood or any excrete from your body. Then it should not adhere to the wound surface. It do not interfere with the wound healing process. Do not process the tissue reaction, that is allergic reaction. It must be impervious to the microorganism, that is oppose the microorganism. It must have smooth surface, good tensile strength, and last is it must be capable to prevent the excessive movement of the wound. So these are the ideal property of the surgical dressing. First of all, surgical dressing means it is the widely used term for the all material used for the dressing of the wound. It is called as the surgical dressing. These are the ideal property of surgical dressing, that it must be porous to the water vapor, capable to absorbing the excessive secretion, not adhere to the wound surface, do not interfere with the wound healing process, not produce the tissue reaction. Then must be impervious to the microorganism. Then it has smooth muscles and good tensile strength. And last is it must be preventing the excessive movement of the wound. These are the ideal property of the surgical dressing. Next we discuss the classification of surgical dressing. There are the different classes of the surgical dressing. Number 1, primary wound dressing material. Second, absorbent. Third, bandage. Fourth, adhesive tape. And fifth is the protective. So these are the different classes under the surgical dressing material or surgical dressing. Number 1, primary wound dressing material. Second, absorbent. Third, bandage. Fourth, adhesive tape. And fifth is the protective. So these are the different classes of the surgical. First is the primary wound dressing. Primary wound dressing are placed directly contact with the wound surface and they are usually reinformed by the other suitable material. Though the purpose of primary wound dressing are to absorb the wound secretion and minimize the maceration. They are used directly contact with the wound, so it is called as the primary wound dressing. For example, absorbent gauze, it is also called as surgical gauze or plain gauze. We discuss the one example, that is surgical gauze. Surgical gauze or absorbent gauze, it is the absorbent material having sufficient tensile strength for surgical dressing. They are prepared from the raw cotton. After cleaning, they are spun into the thread and then they are woven into the particular mesh to form the cloth. Then cloth are bleached and made the absorbent. The mesh size of the gauze are different according to the gauze, and having the low mesh size have higher protection with greater strength and minimum maceration. जिसका कम मेश साइज है उसका मेसरेशन कम होता है, वो ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ प्रोवाइड करता है एंड ग्रेटर प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द सर्जिकल गॉज. दे आर कम्स अंडर द प्राइमरी वुड ड्रेसिंग. प्राइमरी वुड ड्रेसिंग्स आर डायरेक्टली कॉन्टैक्ट विद द वुड एंड दे आर reinformed by the other suitable material. The purpose of primary wood dressing are mostly absorb the secretion, that is wood secretion, and minimize the maceration. For example, absorbent gauze, surgical gauze. Surgical gauze are made up from the raw cotton and absorbable material having the sufficient tensile strength and surgical dressing. After cleaning of this raw material, they are spun into the thread and then thread are woven into the open mesh cloth. Then cloth are bleached and made the absorbent. The mesh size are different according to the requirement, but having the low mesh size have greater strength and greater protection with minimized maceration. Then uses of the surgical gauze. It is used primarily after the surgery to drain the execute from the major wound. After surgery or after for the dressing of the wound, ये use होता है to drain the execute from the wound. They are used to pack the dental socket, sinuses and dental socket को पैक करने के लिए भी सर्जिकल गॉज यूज होता है. It remove the damage and plus pus without damaging the tissue. टिश्यू को डैमेज किए बगैर ये पस को निकाल सकता है और साथ साथ डैमेज को भी निकाल सकता है. तो दीज आर द यूजेस ऑफ द सर्जिकल गॉज कम्स अंडर द प्राइमरी वुड ड्रेसिंग. देन सेकंड क्लास ऑफ द surgical dressing is the absorbent. As the name implies, absorbent are mainly employed to the absorb the blood and other fluid from injured tissue and other discharge. दूसरे डिस्चार्ज और इंजर्ड टिश्यू का जो कौन सा फ्लूइड होगा, एब्जॉर्बेंट ब्लड होगा, उसको एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए मोस्टली यूज होते हैं. सो दे आर कॉल्ड एज द एब्जॉर्बेंट. द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एब्जॉर्बेंट आर सर्जिकल कॉटन, iPad and sanitary napkin. We discuss the iPad. iPad are designed to a manner to comfortably cover the eye. आई को पूरा कवर होना चाहिए, ऐसा ये पैड तैयार करते हैं. द पैड आर मेड अप विद द नॉन वूवन फैब्रिक मटेरियल. नॉन वूवन फैब्रिक मटेरियल से ये बना हुआ रहता है. एंड दे प्रोवाइड इन अ स्टेराइल पैक. और स्टेराइल किया हुआ रहेगा, बराबर आई पूरा आपका कवर हो जाए, ऐसा ये बना हुआ रहता है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज द आई पैड. देन सेकंड इज द सैनिटरी नैपकिन. दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द वी पैड, मैटरनिटी पैड और obstetrical pad. These pads have the ability to hold a high amount of fluid. This napkin is also made up from the non-woven fabric, usually covered by the open mesh strip. The side and the outer surface of the napkin consist of the water repellent material. This is called as the sanitary napkin. Those all, that is surgical cotton, iPad and sanitary napkin, covered under the absorbent. That is the second class of the surgical dressing. Next class of the surgical dressing is the bandages. Bandages are used to hold the dressing in place and to provide the support and the pressure. Bandages are common gauze roller bandage, muslin bandage and elastic bandage. They are the different example of the bandages. The commonly used are the commonly gauze roll bandage, muslin bandage and elastic bandage. First of all, commonly roll bandage. They are made up from the gauze and used for the surgical and absorbent type of gauze available from the different size, and they are reasonably free from the loose thread. So they are prepared from the gauze. So it is called as the roll bandage or gauze roll bandage. Second is the muslin bandage. They are prepared from the muslin cloth and they are reasonably strong and used to where the common gauze bandage does not provide the adequate and support. जहाँ कॉमन रोल बैंडेज प्रोवाइड ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ प्रोवाइड नहीं करते, वहाँ अपन मसलिन क्लॉथ के बैंडेज यूज करते हैं. दे आर prepared from the muslin cloth and having the greater strength and gives the maximum support than the commonly used gauze roll bandage. Then next is the elastic bandage. Elastic bandage are available in the different type with employ for the specific use. They covered woven elastic bandage. They are made up from weaving the bandage cloth and contain the rubber thread. So it is called as the woven elastic bandage. Whereas crepe bandage are not contain the rubber and they are elastic and can extend the double to their length. जितनी उनकी लेंथ होंगी उससे डबल वो इलास्टिसिटी उसकी रहती है. They are elastic, so they are provide the maximum support and protection and bandaging the various vein. So it is called as the crepe bandage and not contain the rubber. When it is contain the rubber, then it is called as the woven elastic bandage. Crepe bandage not contain the rubber and double the strength of the length, that is elasticity. These are under the third class of the surgical dressing, that is the bandages, in which we discuss the simple or common gauze roll bandage, muslin cloth bandage, and then elastic bandage. In elastic bandage, woven elastic bandage and crepe bandage. Next class under the surgical dressing, it's the adhesive tape. Adhesive tape are made up from adhesive mass with different sizes and according to their uses and requirement. Adhesive tape mainly have two type: rubber based adhesive tape and acrylic type of adhesive base. Rubber base and acrylic base. Rubber base and acrylic base are used according to their need and adhesiveness. The rubber based adhesive tape are cheaper and use maximum adhesiveness with backing strength is required. इसका ज़्यादा adhesiveness रहता है रबर का as compared to the acrylic. Acrylic adhesive tape are mainly used in operative condition or post-operative surgical dressing condition, having the require the minimum trauma to the skin. जहाँ स्किन को कम से कम ट्रूमा होना चाहिए, ऐसे कंडीशन में अपन एक्रेलिक अडेसिव टेप यूज करते हैं, जबकि रबर बेस्ड अडेसिव टेप है मैक्सिमम अडेसिवनेस. द एग्जांपल ऑफ टेप आर और अडेसिव टेप आर जिंक ऑक्साइड अडेसिव प्लास्टर, कैप्सिकम प्लास्टर, बैलेडोना प्लास्टर और बैलेडोना एंड कैप्सिकम प्लास्टर. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट क्लास अंडर द surgical dressing, that is the adhesive tape. They are made up from the adhesive mass, maybe from rubber base or acrylic base with different sizes and according to their requirement. Rubber base adhesive tape have maximum adhesiveness and backing strength are required, then you use the rubber base adhesive tape, whereas acrylic base have some minimum adhesiveness when the skin trauma are minimum required. They are used, for example, operative or post-operative surgical dressing. For example, zinc oxide adhesive plaster, capsicum plaster, belladonna plaster, and belladonna and capsicum plaster. These are the example of the adhesive tape. So this is about the classification of surgical dressing. The last class is the protective. Protective are mostly employed to cover the wet dressing and portrait. It is also used to retain the heat and to prevent the escape of moisture. It may be plastic sheeted, rubber sheeted and coated paper with wax or plastic. This is called as the protective. The example of protective is the absorbent cotton wool. Absorbent cotton wool are nothing but the epidermal trichome of the seed of Gossypium herbaceum and different species, which are white, soft, fine fragment like hair with unicellular 2.5 to 4.5 centimeter in length, 40 centimeter in wide, with colorless and odorless. The use of surgical dressing are with different quality control test as per the evaluation of IP. Number 1, identification test. By you can identify the cotton fiber under the microscope by measuring the length and the diameter along with the shape. Then chemical identification by treating with the iodinized zinc chloride solution. The fibers become violet and you can observe under the microscope. When it is treated with the zinc chloride solution only, then it does not dissolve at 40 degrees centigrade for 2.5 hour boiling. This is the identification test of the absorbent cotton wool fiber. Then there are the different tests as per the IP to evaluate the absorbent cotton wool. Number 1, acidity and alkalinity, in which neither solution, that is methyl red and phenolphthalein solution, shows a pink color. When the solution shows pink color with methyl red, then you can say it is acidic. When with phenolphthalein it shows the pink color, then you can say it is the alkaline. But absorbent cotton wool macerate, that is soaked in the distilled water, then this solution are neither gives color with the methyl red or phenolphthalein, that is it is the neutral with the pH around 7 to 7.4. Then second test is the absorbency test. This test is evaluated to perform the sinking time test and water holding capacity. The IP limit of sinking time is not more than 10 seconds, and the IP limit for water holding capacity not less than 23 gram of water per gram. Then fluorescence test. A 5 millimeter thickness pad of absorbent cotton wool are observed under the UV light of 365 nanometer frequency. Then it shows the only slightly brownish violet fluorescent with few yellowish particle. Not more than few particle are observed under the UV light at frequency 365 nanometer. This is the fluorescent test. Next is the NEPS test. NEPS are around not more than 250 NEPS observed under the spreading area of 450 square meter of area over the glass plate and covered with the another glass plate and observed by the naked eye. Not more than 250 NEPS are observed under the spreading area of 450 square centimeter. Then LOD, that is loss on drying. The limit of IP limit of LOD, that is loss on drying, are not more than 8% weight by weight at 105 degrees centigrade under the oven, that is hot air oven. This is the limit of LOD. Then sulfate ash, not more than 0.5 weight by weight. Sulfated ash determine on the substance on ignition. These are the important evaluation test of the absorbent cotton wool as per the IP. So this is about the surgical dress. Next is the hospital supply or surgical supply. Generally, a service given by the pharmacist to a surgeon to perform the surgery or any operative procedure. The available of different equipment and apparatus consist of catheter, BD set, relay tube, IV set, BD set, and different sophisticated instrument like CT scan, X-ray machine, then MRI machine. These are all covered under the hospital supply. We discuss one by one. Number one is the catheter. Catheter are used to collect the urine from the patient which are unable to void it naturally or having the trouble to void it with incontinuous part or external catheter are not adequate. Such patient we use the catheter to collect the urine. Catheter have two types. Number one, rubber catheter, and second is the balloon catheter, or it is also called as the Foyer catheter. Balloon catheter obviously made up from rubber catheter made up from rubber tube with different size and shape, with flexible with nature, and the one end are open having the funnel shape to joined with the collection unit, and the inserting end have wide hole which act as the channel to flow the urine. It is made up from the rubber, so it is called as the rubber catheter. Second is the balloon catheter. It is having the balloon at the inserting end, which in capacity 5 to 30 ml. And the another end is the inserting end, which is used to collect the urine. It is also called as the hemostatic catheter, which is mostly used for the dialysis purpose. This is called as the Foyer catheter or balloon catheter. These are the two types of the catheter. Then next is the BD set. BD set, the name BD is from the scientist who manufactured it, that is Bacton and Dickinson. These are the name of the scientists, so it is called as the BD set. It is consist of syringe and a needle, or syringe and a needle. The syringe which are made up from glass, and you can sterilize it by the autoclave. Whereas the needle have body and shoulder with the lock to the syringe by metallic layer to the nozzle. The use of BD set are to collect the fluid from the body cavity. It is used to collect the blood from the donor, and it is used to administer the drug by intramuscular route to the patient. These are the uses of BD set. Relay tube, it is the thin tube having the length about 30 inches, which distance and having the oral bulb which provide the solving of the tube, and also have four small hole which used to pour the liquid into the stomach. The tube has silicone and smooth outer surface, which reduce the chances of tissue irritation. This is about the relay tube. And the important is the use of the relay tube. This relay tube is used to give the fluid or drug to the patient who cannot imbue enough amount of drug. Then the patient which has unconsciousness, or the patient which cannot swallow the drug, these patients are used the relay tube to insert or to give the fluid and the drug directly into the stomach region. It also used to give stomach wash in case of poisoning. When there is a poisoning, then it is important to wash the stomach with saline or water, or quietly hot water. Then this tube are used, that is the relay tube, to wash the stomach. It is also used to analyze the gastric juice for the any diagnostic purpose. It is also used to deflate the stomach in case of GIT obstruction. These are the different uses of relative. And the what is the meaning of relative? Relative is about 30 inches, which is used to wash the stomach, and inserted from the mouth, which have siliconated coating which prevent the tissue irritation, and having the one end have oral bulb type, and having the four small hole which used to insert the pour the liquid directly into the stomach.